We are just getting started here by putting about a half a cup of heavy whipping cream fully lined in the bottom of our baking dish. I have some delicious cinnamon rolls that I'll just open those up right like so. And now all you're gonna do is you're gonna start to break apart and cut those cinnamon rolls. You'll place it right on top in an even layer of that heavy whipping cream. This easy breakfast is perfect for fall and I love it because it is so easy to whip together. Everybody always raves about this every time I make it. So quickly just go through, cut up all those cinnamon rolls and place it right on top of that delicious heavy whipping cream. So we got our last cinnamon roll here that we're cutting up, and don't worry, these rolls are gonna grow and all of the dough is gonna soak in with all of that mixture on the bottom. Now grab yourself some apple pie filling. Nice and carefully, I'm just kind of glump out the apple pie filling so it's right on top of these cinnamon rolls, laying right on top of that heavy cream. Now you don't wanna mix it too much. You wanna just kind of set it right there on top, and like I said, don't really worry about it too much. As it bakes, everything is going to soak and come together, especially as those cinnamon rolls start to rise and they get nice and hot. Oh, this fall treat is so good. So we're just finishing up here with our cans of apple and it is looking so good. It smells like fall. I love fall. I love cinnamon. I love apple, all of these things, right? So really quickly here, we're just gonna slide that right over and we're gonna bring in a half a cup of melted butter. Now check this out. Here I have some instant oatmeal. I'm choosing maple and brown sugar, but the great thing about this is that you can really pick anything that you think would go good. Maybe an apple cinnamon would be what you wanted to choose. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments. Either way, you'll pick your type of oatmeal and you'll pour it right on top of that melted butter, just like so. Take a quick moment to stir it all together so that butter just combines all on top of that oatmeal. And when this bakes, you guys, this is the easiest way to put that nice crumble right on top of your pie. If you haven't tried the old instant oatmeal hack, this is your calling, right? You need to try it. It is so good. So that's all set. Here we go, good to go. So we'll bring back in our nice treat here. And I'm just gonna use my clean hands and I'm gonna start to sprinkle this oatmeal mixture right on top. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. When that bakes together and those cinnamon rolls rise and this becomes golden brown and we have a little bit of those apples peeping through, it is just going to be so beautiful and so tasty. So I'm just gonna sparingly spread that all around. That's perfect. There we go. How easy was that? Now for the fun part. We're gonna bake it at 350 for about 20 to 23 minutes and stick around. You're gonna love this easy breakfast treat. Wow, this looks amazing and it smells even better. Look at that golden brown of that oatmeal on top. I can see some of the cinnamon rolls piping through along with those apples. It looks so good. I'm gonna take the leftover icing that I have from the cinnamon rolls and I'm gonna pour it all over the top of this. Look at that, it's just dripping right in. Now, of course, if you wanna leave this sweetness out, you totally can, but I think it's a little nice added touch and there's not too much. There's only a little bit of that, you know, so live a little, right? Okay, I'm gonna come in here. I wanna just grab a nice heaping, yes, I'm gonna put it right in my bowl here. Look at that, it's almost a bit like bread pudding. All of the apples and those cinnamon rolls right there. Whoo, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I want this too right up front. So we have those cinnamon rolls, the apples, the sweetness of that oatmeal and the brown sugar. Oh, it looks hot. I want some apple here, a little oatmeal, a little cinnamon roll I want to get. And that heavy whipping cream in there. Oh, it's so good.
Give it the mom blow.
Yes, the mom blow, you're right. It is so hot, but it smells so good. All right, here we go. Man, it hits the spot every time. In my opinion, it has the right amount of sweetness. You can have this for breakfast, for a breakfast treat. You can have this for a dessert, but it is not too sweet. Those cinnamon rolls and those apples go so well together, along with that heavy cream and that instant oatmeal. Who would have thought? I hope you guys love this easy breakfast treat. Let me know if there's anything you would do different. I'm about to scarf this down, so we'll see you later. Enjoy.